Thanks to Saudi Arabian customers for purchasing our LED styling screen. This screen uses P1.95 indoor 250 by 250 mm flexible modules and is equipped with an indoor customized EA Flex curved sheet metal box, which is extremely flexible. By using our flexible LED modules, customers can easily build LED screens of various creative shapes, such as curved LED walls, cylindrical LED displays, wavy LED screens, irregular-shaped LED signs, and even spherical LED displays, etc., to meet various personalized display needs. EA Flex flexible LED display provides customers with unlimited creative space and can adapt to different design requirements and scene applications. It is an ideal choice for stage performances, commercial displays, and advertising promotions. We look forward to Saudi Arabian customers' creative projects being able to achieve more exciting displays through this screen.